Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report and repair for Tony in Tennessee on the Stryker SR-655HP. Tony got you fixed up, ready to go. Let me show you what we got. 100 watt slug all the way down. There's your 2 watts all the way down, so you got full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. Sitting at 22 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. So 63 bird average. Man, this thing's doing more bird average than it was doing peak. 250 watt slug in peak, top scale, 145 watts. Let's roll it all the way down to 2. Still 149 watts. Alright, Tony, we're going to get it out to you, man. This thing's a beast. I appreciate it. You got wise and got truckerized from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.